Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to add contacts in Gmail account. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, you have to open your Gmail and then click on Google Apps, and from here click on Contacts. Once your contact opened, you have to click on Create Contact. You can create multiple contacts or you can create a contact, so I'm going to select the first option for now. And now here you have to fill up this form, so I'm going to give the first name here and the last name, and you can enter the company name here, job title, and you can attach email, or you can add a label, and now here you have to give the phone number. From here select your country and now give the phone number here, and now you can add a notes here, and after that click on show more to add more information, and then click on save. So here you can see I have successfully added a contact to my Gmail account. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.